You'll have to focus the last part because on the inside you're pretty sharp, but
Yeah.
you have to wait a little. Viršuliškių, gatvė 27. This is mistake. This is from 37 to 72.
Yeah.
But not 77. The light is better here.
Yeah. The serial number is LF0101714.
Yeah, it's also here in Viršuliškių. What is a Viršuliškių?
Yeah, Viršuliškės.
Viršuliškės, yes, one of the suburbs of Vilnius, Lithuania. And we filmed the other states as well.
Yeah.
Original as well. Only the cabinets replaced.
Yeah, not all the cabinets, but some.
So,
Yeah, here it's version.
yeah, or different type of stuff.
Yeah.
I like the relation.
In the same, yeah.
I love that. It's nice and sometimes.
In the same. Kiva inspitantt meitä nyt by valtiosliftoi.